welcome back to my channel. It's Sylvia from Makeup Tutorial by Sylvia. Today I have created a multicolor eye makeup look. I hope you will like this video. If you please give like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my next videos. Let's start the makeup. I am using a concealer from Milani brand and the shade is 115. I am applying this concealer on my eyelids. Now I am using this nude color from the palette of Huda Beauty and I am applying on my eyelid. Now I am using this shimmery white color from the palette of Tarte. I am applying this eyeshadow on my brow bone like this way. I am using this orange color eyeshadow from the palette of Makeup Revolution. Now I am applying this orange color shadow on my crease in this way. I am using this token grey color eyeshadow from the same palette. I am applying this shadow like this way for my transaction color. Taking this nude color from the same palette and applying on my outer corner of my eyes like this way. Now I am taking this Macao color from the same palette and applying on my middle of the eyelid like this way. Now I am taking this canary color from the same palette and applying on the inner corner of my eyes like this way. Now I am taking this shimmery blue color eyeshadow from the palette of Tarte and applying with my fingertips on my middle of the lid. Blending it thoroughly. Now I am taking this tweed color eyeshadow from the same palette and I am applying this shadow on my lower lash line like this way. Golden shimmer color eyeshadow from the palette of Tarte and I am using on my inner corner of my eyes like this way. I am going to apply this eyeliner from the brand of Urban Decay. Now I am applying this water liner from the brand of Bobbi Brown. Now I am using this blue color water liner from the brand of Shiny and applying on my waterline like this way. I am using this mascara from the brand of Tarte and applying on my upper and lower eyelashes like this way. Now I am applying these 3D mink false eyelashes on my eyes like this way. So this is my completed eyeshadow look. I hope that this video was helpful. Please let me know your questions down below in the comment section, and I will address all your worries and comments. Stay home, stay safe. Bye for today. See you next time. Bye bye.